Leading chatbots such as Grok and ChatGPT predict Shiba Inu price in a scenario where Bitcoin skyrockets to an ambitious target of $700,000. Bitcoin has continued to turn heads in the crypto market following its remarkable rally that saw it register a new all-time high of $111,970 yesterday. This comes after its price soared by 6.59% in the past week and 18.64% over the past 30 days. Bitcoin to hit 700K. Bitcoin's recent surge triggered a wave of optimistic predictions for the asset among crypto experts, with some predicting a rise to the $700,000 mark. Recall that BlackRock CEO Larry Fink first issued the bullish target in January during an interview with Bloomberg at the World Economic Forum, WEF. He projected that Bitcoin's surge to the $700,000 mark would be driven by increased institutional interest in the asset. The BlackRock CEO envisioned a scenario in which sovereign wealth funds allocate 2% to 5% of their assets to Bitcoin, potentially driving the price to $700,000. For context, Bitcoin is currently changing hands at $110,754. Therefore, hitting the $700,000 target demands an upsurge of 532.03%. Potential impact on Shiba's price. Bitcoin's potential surge to the $700,000 mark is expected to positively impact the price of altcoins like Shiba Inu, Shiba. With a 76% 30-day correlation to Bitcoin, according to Into the Block data, Shiba Inu's price typically rises and falls in tandem with BTC. Essentially, an increase in Bitcoin's price usually translates to an upsurge in Shiba's value, and vice versa, due to Shiba Inu's correlation with BTC. In most cases, Shiba amplifies this trend, as a slight increase in Bitcoin's price leads to a greater price surge for Shiba Inu. This is reflected in the daily performances of Bitcoin and Shiba Inu. While Bitcoin's price is up 1.03% in the past 24 hours, Shiba Inu's price has spiked by 3.08% in the same time frame. Shiba Inu price. If Bitcoin hits 700K, with Bitcoin projected to hit $700,000, multiple entities, including OpenAI's ChatGPT and X's chatbot Grok, forecasted how much Shiba could be worth if the BTC prediction materializes. Notably, Shiba Inu is currently trading at 0.005 with its market cap at $885 billion. According to ChatGPT, if Bitcoin hits the $700,000 target and Shiba Inu maintains its current market cap ratio, the price of the doggy-themed token could rise to 0.095. This estimate assumes that Shiba Inu also grows proportionally, matching Bitcoin's 532% move to the $700,000 target. Clinching the 0.095 mark would mark a new all-time high for Shiba Inu, surpassing the previous record of 0.8845 by 7.4%. Grok prediction. Notably, Grok also shared a similar view, forecasting that Shiba Inu's price would climb to 0.095 if it mirrors Bitcoin's 532% surge. However, it suggested that Shiba Inu could surpass the 0.095 target, as Shiba is more volatile than Bitcoin. Given Shiba Inu's highly volatile nature, Grok suggested that it could outperform or underperform Bitcoin's gains under certain market conditions. Therefore, the chatbot set a target of $0.095 to $0.01 for Shiba Inu if Bitcoin clinches the $700,000 target. Interestingly, Grok forecasted that Shiba Inu might aim for ambitious targets like $0.01 under an extremely bullish market. Besides Shiba Inu's strong correlation with Bitcoin, Grok suggested that certain factors like ongoing Shibarium developments could support the token's surge to around 0.3, representing an increase of 6,553% from the current price. Meanwhile, Grok urged investors to exercise caution while investing in cryptos and not rely on its prediction as investment advice.